every day.
We fight to keep up with life's challenges.
Humankind grapples with life's experiences,
but a smile when victory is in sight
affirms the soothing conquest strides.
God will put a smile on your face.
It's that time of the year to secure God's promises for your needed victory.
I will see your blind eyes open. That cancer and that swelling, I will see it removed out of your body in Jesus' name.
The smile this August.
Even before the prayer, that power will operate in your life.
Now's your time to rise and smile.
And of course, when we come to the final amen, to my right, to my left, and online, you will never be the same again in Jesus' name.
An august visitor this August. He is the GCK convener, Pastor Dr. W.F. Kumuyi. He comes in triumphant power by Christ's redemption, ministering along with our guest music minister, Cornelius Cross. The sun will shine from the Sunshine State live
from Anglican Grammar School, Ondo State,
Southwest Nigeria. That's the location for the next Global Crusade, 25th to 30th August 2022, 1600 hours GMT daily and 0700 hours GMT Sunday worship service. It's a GCK gift.
Something from heaven, a gift from heaven, grace from heaven, power from heaven.
Package just for you. Every man, every woman, every child, youth and young adult, and broadcast to the world live via satellite, social media, radio and television.
All the states of Nigeria, all the countries of Africa, America, Asia, Australia, Canada, Europe, Caribbeans, in the Arab world, everywhere. Put a smile on every face.
So join us
and let GCK take you higher
as we triumph through Christ's redemptive power.